Good morning everyone, I am Vishakha. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies plunge on global inflation woes. Bitcoin falls below $21,000. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius says it has enough cash to last the year. Ethereum NFT sales plunged to 11-month low. Tribe DAO Mulls $157 million payout to token holders, Rari hack victims. HUSD stablecoin returns to peg after resolving liquidity issues. Canadian bank regulator details crypto liquidity backing rules. Sports token surge after Socios.com gets regulatory approval in Italy. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies continue to drop into the weekend amid concerns that inflationary pressures across continents could push central banks globally to hike rates aggressively, including the Federal Reserve, making speculative assets such as stocks and digital assets unattractive. Bitcoin tanked below $21,000 in intraday trades. US stocks ended lower with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling 0.8% and the S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite declining 2.1% and 1.3% respectively. Cryptocurrencies' drop coincided with unexpectedly high producer price index-linked inflation data in Germany, triggering fears that the trend, coupled with robustness of US economy, could goad the Fed to hike its lending rate by another 75 basis points at its meeting last month. According to the CME FedWatch tool, the closely tracked benchmark, the probability of the US Federal Reserve raising federal funds rate 75 basis points increased to 44.5% from 41% a day earlier after the release of German PPI data. Cryptocurrency exchanges liquidated over $500 million worth of positions in futures over the past 24 hours, data showed. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $21,000, down over 7.7% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,620, down over 10% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins to trade. Chris Ferraro, the chief financial officer of Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius Network, has claimed that the project now has enough money to fund its operations until the end of the year. Ferraro made the comments while testifying in a bankruptcy hearing call with creditors on August 19. Celsius had previously estimated that it would run out of cash by the end of October. The revised estimates of funds that will help run operations include $61 million in loans made to Bitfinex that will mature in the coming weeks, as well as approximately $20 million in savings on sales and use taxes on mining rigs purchased. According to Ferraro, Celsius expects to be cash flow positive in early 2023. Ethereum's non-fungible token sales volume had plummeted to an 11-month low due to lack of investor interest in digital collectibles, according to CryptoSlam data. Ethereum struggled in July with the total NFT sales volume of around $535.7 million, though continuing to remain the most popular blockchain. The total value of digital collectibles sold on Ethereum in June was approximately $722.4 million. The drop in sales volume can be attributed to a fall in the number of unique buyers, overall transactions, and average sale value of NFT projects such as CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Art Blocks, Other Deed, Azuki, CloneX, Moonbirds, and We Friends. Tribe DAO, which acquired Rari last year, has outlined a multi-million-dollar redemption plan envisaging distribution of crypto assets to token holders as well as those impacted by the $80 million Rari hack in April. Tribe DAO has proposed a roughly $157 million redemption plan to distribute remaining DAO-controlled assets to tribe holders and compensate victims of the Rari hack. The approval will need to come during a future DAO vote by token holders. On April 30, Rari Capital, a protocol that allowed users to create custom borrowing and lending markets for various assets, saw 7 of its so-called fuse pools drained for approximately $80 million. Stable Universal issued HUSD stablecoin has returned to its $1 peg after falling 8% on August 18th. HUSD in a tweet on Friday clarified that the drop in value was caused by the closure of several accounts, including market makers' accounts, to comply with legal requirements. However, the coin's market cap has returned to $160 million after falling to $136.3 million on Thursday. The short-term liquidity problem was caused by the time difference in banking hours, HUSD tweeted. Canada's Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, the nation's primary bank and insurance company regulator, directed entities under its supervision to limit how much exposure they have to give to cryptocurrencies under interim guidance published Thursday. According to the guidance, OSFI categorizes cryptos as either Group 1 or Group 2 assets. Group 1 represents traditional assets that confer rights and obligations. Anything else is a Group 2 asset. Regulated entities need to notify OSFI if their total gross positions exceed 1% of their capital and if their total net short positions exceed 0.1% of their capital. If an entity does want to conduct other crypto-related activities, it needs to contact its supervisor at OSFI and share information as needed, the regulator said. The value of tokens catering to sports fans surged this week after a major issuer, Socios.com, said it had received regulatory approval to operate in Italy. In the aftermath of the announcement, the Santos FC fan token shot up by more than 150% from its value the day prior to a high of about $15, while Chile's, the fanside platform's main currency, rose by about 12%. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.